Literally right on the next thing. Yeah, he's right there. He's that go-go. Go, go. Did you die? Come on.
Oh, he did.
Oh, fuck. Where's Rachel? Come here. No, there's a guy right. Watch the guy right, okay? I got Darwin, there's one right. I'll push the guy right. I'm gonna push the guy right, you run up, okay? Drop the gun.
Where's that walk? That might have went through.
Did it?
No problem.
In?
Not in, no.
Where is it?
It went through both windows.
Fuck.
I'm gonna get it though.
Okay. You can just bring it to me, okay?
Yep. It went through. This one don't count.
Through! It went through!
It went through too. Don't count.
Fuck, sorry. The other one also went through. Scotty, can you get the other one?
Yep.
Did you get one in?
Yeah.
How much time?
10 minutes.
Get it. Through.
Throw, you can go in.
Can you grab it? Yo! Yo! Rachel! You just gotta drop it in. Don't throw it, just drop it. Oh fuck. I almost shot you. Toss it to them. You guys ready?
Don't go through.
Yo! You ready? Oh, sorry. Go, 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 go! They're all dead! Go, go! 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 Did they go yet? Do they have it?